Hello. In this video, we will show how to get started with our downloadable tool, CarGHG. First, visit www.carghg.org in your browser. Click this link to download the software. Once downloaded, you will unzip or unpack the software into a folder of your choosing. Then you will click down to the root directory and find this jar file. For many of you, simply double-clicking on the jar file with the coffee cup Java logo will get things going. For others, double-clicking on this batch file will be the fastest way forward. Either way, if you see this window with a bunch of buttons, you are ready to use CarGHG. On your first time using CarGHG, you will just be viewing the default results, which come pre-bundled with the download. Let's click the second button, labeled Vehicle Models Documentation. This shows the list of vehicles included in this default study. More details on each vehicle can be found by clicking the vehicle and then showing documentation. But let's move on for now, which we do by exiting this window, and that returns us to our original CarGHG window. We will skip the first and third modules for now and click the fourth button, which launches the GHG Analysis. By using the scroll bar on the far right, we can see a graph for each of the vehicles in this default study. The first vehicle listed is the Toyota Corolla. The graph shows the distribution of GHG intensity for this Toyota Corolla, assuming California driving. There's not just one value here. Since Californians have a variety of driving needs and patterns, each will result in at least some variation in the Corolla's performance. So we see a distribution of the Corolla's performance. The box plot drawn above the distribution is a compact way to characterize this distribution. The diamond represents the average. The details will be covered elsewhere, but generally, lower values are better, as it indicates the vehicle generates less GHG while driving. Scrolling down to view some plug-in vehicles, we can see how the sliders work. This slider here changes the assumption of the upstream GHG created while generating the electricity. We can also toggle on or off the inclusion of the GHG created while manufacturing the vehicle, including all of its parts as well as extracting the necessary raw materials. If you wish to return to the default scenario, simply make these 3 clicks. To exit to the main screen, just close this GHG Analysis window. That's it for now. Check out the description for other videos on CarGHG or peruse this handy user guide. Thank you very much.